Part of the fun of crafting for me is doing it in a group, and right now I can't do that. So when Altenew offered the virtual workshops, I jumped on it.
Hi, my name is Teresa, and I consider myself an Altenew Zoom class veteran. I've attended at least 10 classes this year.
When I signed up for my first Altenew virtual online workshop, I was stepping out of my comfort zone.
I was very busy in my life, and I saw this as an hour or two, because I do both Tuesdays and Thursdays. I saw that as time for me, and it was scheduled time for me, so I was more likely to take it.
I wasn't sure what to expect or what I was getting into. But my first workshop was great, and I've been a regular participant since then.
It's a great way to learn new things, try new techniques, but more importantly for me, it's being in that group setting again that I miss so much.
You get to work with the vast array of Altenew products, from stamps and dies to alcohol markers, watercolor markers, and discover things that you weren't familiar with, or learn new ways to use things that you are familiar with, which has been tons of fun. The instructors are great. They're right there with you. They answer questions. They add additional tips and tricks along the way. That's tremendously helpful.
They give of themselves and their time and their expertise, and I get to meet ladies from around the world, actually, who love to do the same things that I do.
We've all gotten to be friends, gotten to know the teachers, and it's been a really great experience, and I'm really grateful to Altenew for bringing that to me.
I have that one finished.
Ooh, I love that.
I really like it. And then this one, I still need to do the other half of my wreath.
Oh, it looks gorgeous so far.
Oh, well, thank you. Yeah, except for one thing I just realized. Yeah, what's wrong with this card?
Upside down, but you can trim it off and put it on another base.
Yeah, then you get exactly.
Just
Trim it off and stick
nobody
that on.
will know.
This will be a 2-layer card after all.
I've kept going back to the virtual workshops because we've created a group. We've gotten to know the instructors, which are some educators and are some full-time employees of Altenew, and it's wonderful to get to know them and to get to know the company. And I've fallen in love with the company even more because of that.
It's also great to be able to do workshops like these in my own home. I always have the space I need to work and the tools I need right at hand, which is really great.
And with this COVID quarantine, stay at home in process, I tell you, it's so nice to have something to look forward to.
And if you're feeling hesitant about joining a workshop for whatever reason, try it out. You may learn a new skill or practice an old one. And that's the wonderful thing. And that's the thing that Altenew does best.
I actually have a class that I'm going to attend tomorrow. You should try it out. Altenew Zoom class. It's just so much fun.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!